Welcome to Philippines South. Once you enter, makita tayo mo ang door na other sa right side, which is nice kaayo kay if you enter, diretso mo makita ang mirror. And the stairs pa dayon sa left side. But before we go upstairs, ari na sa kita ka sa window. And then you can see under the stairs, that's another mirror, which is ang space is ilagay utilized. They put something here na pwede nyo mabutagan sa mga figurine or anything ang ibutan din ha. But here, they gamit nila is sila ibutagan ng counter, kitchen counter, and they're using red light. Whether you can magkanang gas, or you can actually gumito din na space dili for lutuan, magluto ka, or you can also put your ref here, ang ref. And next diri is ang ilahang CR. Come on. CR. Check ang CR. So, service area. So, ang service area na ito diri, where you diri ka maglaba, maghalay sa imong mga clothes. If you don't want to kanang halay it outside, so diri ka manghalay. And then, this is the living area. So, ang ilaka is instead of putting the kanang TV, inahanggi ka lang. So, ganyan. Shelves, cabinet. And then, ay gamay na sofa. So, it depends on you on saan mo pag ka ng beautify sa inyong place. At i-check ang taas. And nice kayo naka-organize ang ilaha. Laundry. Sitaw ganihan. So, nakakuan siya, naka-organize siya. Ang ilahang cable diri. And then, for the upstairs, wood. Yeah, and wood sa bilang ng kuan. Ang diri with the kuan. How? What kind of how? So for the upstairs, I said do have a rooms. Come on, let's go. But this is the CR sa taas.
First bedroom.
First bedroom. So if now your mga kids, they can use this as their study table. Ilang bed. And then here, the master's bedroom. Sa ilang master's bedroom, nasa lang terrace with the bed. It's up to you kung saan mo pag-design sa inyong